Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE T10 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Then select Connection Preferences, tap on Printing and Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by selecting this switcher next to Use Print Service. Then go back, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice. Then click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!